Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video we are going to work on editing and deleting a category in our context manager application that we are creating in Laravel, Vue, Inertia and Tailwind CSS. So far we worked on creating a category, and in this video we are going to edit and delete a category. So let's just jump in. I'm going to go to list.view and I'm going to add the routes. So on the edit, I'm going to add the href, and I'm going to call, okay, this is the attribute using the route method. I'm going to call, let's say, category dot edit, and I'm going to pass the category dot uuid, and the same for the delete. So I'm going to copy and paste that right here, except we are going to call the delete or destroy route. So once you click on this, it's gonna bring the control to this route. You can see that, and I'm gonna create this, let's call it edit, and this one as delete category. So copy it and go there, and then create a function that accepts one parameter, and that is the uuid, and look for that uuid. Category equals to category model, where the uuid is $uuid. Get the first one and then render the view, and the view is edit view. So I'm gonna paste this, not this one, I mean the return render part. So edit and pass the category $category, and we should have that this variable in this file. I'm gonna go there, that is right here. I'm gonna copy the create part, paste that in the edit, change the names and stuffs. This is gonna be the same, and in this you can even know, like, we are going to accept the parameter which is the category. So I'm gonna define the route, define props, and I'm gonna copy and paste that definitely. So copy it, paste that here, and also we have to like assign that a variable. So let's say props equals to that, and then initial value is gonna be props dot category, not categories, is a single item, right? So category, and no need for the status, remove that, and this is an object, not array, and category dot name, and when submitting the form, we definitely need to create the update. So category dot update, and this is going to be a post route, and we have to pass the uuid from the props. So I'm going to paste that. Instead of name, I'm going to pass the uuid this time, and also let's see, instead of create category, let's say edit category here as well. Create context category instead, edit context category, contact category name, and form errors, everything already imported, and category and process. Instead of create, let's say edit, or let's say update. Let's see what else do we have. Nothing. So let's create this route. I'm gonna go to web.php file, duplicate this one, and let's say update. We can call the same route, but we are passing different request methods, so it's gonna call the appropriate one. So let's say first we can use the patch as well, which is used for the um, updating. So update category, the name is category dot update, and let's create this method. I think we are using the wrong names, you can see, so I'm gonna rename this category, and I'm gonna replace or update all of these here as well. We are calling the we are writing the wrong name, actually the wrong spelling. So the update is going to be pretty much the same as create, except we are going to, along with the request, we are the HTTP request, we are going to accept the UUID, and the method name is definitely update category. Check the name field, update it, and in order to update that, first you need to find that. So where UUID is $UUID, get the first one, and after that go ahead and update the name to the request of name, what your name is coming in the request, and then update or save there. So once you save that, then redirect user to the category with the status category of name created. So instead of created, let's say updated successfully. I'm going to save this. Let's see the web. Seems good. Let's go to edit. This seems to be okay, so let's go back, and let's say I want to edit this one. You can see already it's auto completed, so let's say personal, whatever that is. So now you can see that is updated successfully, and we saw the success message as well. So now let's work on the delete category. So I'm going to go to list.view, and we have this route and this method. Accepting the $UUID variable, and I'm gonna copy and paste that because it's gonna be pretty much the same, where UUID is that, and then go ahead and delete it, and after that redirect user and say something like delete it successfully, and let's try that out. So I'm gonna delete the third one, delete it, and you can see the UL category deleted successfully. Let's delete the QUO, and you can see that category deleted successfully. So these are the CRUD operations of category, and in the next video we are going to implement the contexts of CRUD operations. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.